when you want to select a team, maybe you're doing a Dream 11 team or whatever it is, you're almost like whichever batsman you like, which is the more famous person, you kind of take them. I want to take a Hardik Pandya or this or that, So, but if I told you that, listen, there's another way, in Moneyball, which is the movie, it kind of highlighted that. They said, listen, I like attributes. I like a guy who can play well in a turning track. One attribute. So take all the players, find out who does what, score of 1 to 10 on turning tracks. I want a guy who can, I want another guy who can play pace very well. So I got set of attributes, and these are my attributes that I want, right? So now I'm saying that my team should contain these attributes. Now today it could be the Hardik Pandya that qualifies because he's on multiple of these parameters, or it could be somebody else who's tomorrow comes in and kind of qualifies. I'm not married to the person who I select. I'm married to the attribute. So if one player says, I was a great player of spin, but the last 3 matches when there was spinners and this guy got out at very low scores, 2 spinners, you're like, boss, something in that attribute has decayed, and therefore I'm not going to select you anymore for playing on my spin attribute, right? So imagine now that in stocks, there is a attribute called value, which is my price to book or price to equity is very low. And there's a thing called quality, which is ROC, ROEs are good. There's a thing called profitability, which is like my profit as a percentage of, say, assets or a percentage of, say, the capital employed is a high number. I would then say there could be a company that meets all these characteristics. There could be high ROC, high profitability, and high value. I mean, you could. Or you could say, listen, some companies are only in this bracket. Some companies. So I have basically decided that I want one factor. I want to tick that one factor, profitability, and choose the best companies. I can do it. And when I do multi-factor, I just choose the appropriate combination of factors that I do it.